everybody and welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. As you can see, we're going to melt some copper again because I cannot stand it that my second camera failed on me. There it is. There's even some, I don't know if you can see it. It's, yeah, right here. There's some splash damage from the copper. And I found out that I was pouring not in the ingot mold, but next to it. You can see there's some copper beads. I took off the biggest copper beads, put them in the crucible, so that's 9 grams, and I measured exactly 4,000 grams, so we have 4,009 grams to start with. So let's put on the furnace. Alright, so I think we managed to capture the pourings on the other camera. So let's go for the quench. Woo, that scared me. It's quite violent. I think this water will be hot. I'll be back with some cold water. Alright, I'm back with some cold water. I'll give them a wire brush, but first let's check out if we made some straight bars. This seems to be a straight bar with some holes again. It was a medium-sized one. This is another medium-sized one, also looks straight. And I think this one will clean up very nice. No holes. A big bar, those weigh around 900 grams. So we see a small hole here, some holes, but also a perfect straight bar. And this one, I think this is a perfect bar. I already saw that when I was removing it out of the graphite mold. No holes whatsoever. I think this will clean up very nice. So, and today I did cast the cast iron mold bars. No splashes this time, lucky for me, because they scared the shit out of me. And these ones also look pretty awesome. No holes or something. Well, not what I can see from here. Leftover, but I think this will do in the safe, in the stack. And then the two finger bars. This one looks also very promising. So I will clean those up and show the end results and put them in the safe. Alright, so let's see what we got here. First start out with the cast iron mold ingots. So this is the smallest one. Not bad. I think this is the best one for today. We have a small dent here, but some beautiful ripples. Not too bad. The third one, I think this is the heaviest one. This one has no holes at all. So too bad, not the beautiful ripples I like. But nonetheless, great bar. Right, let's get on to the finger bars. I think we have two of almost exact the same bars. So we'll measure them, of course. So some fairly good ripples for a finger bar. And a tiny splash of another metal, I guess. Not sure, but not bad. Second one, some pouring lines on this one. And some small holes, but not bad at all for this one. And then we go to the medium-sized bars. Not the best ripples either, but it's quite smooth, this bar. The second medium one with better ripples, but this has some holes. I could see it when I was pouring the first bars. There was some bubbling going on. I don't know why that is. I have all the moisture burned off from the molds, because otherwise, yeah, we will get some steam explosions. Don't want to happen that. Now let me see. I think this one has the best ripples of all bars today. But again, this is the first pour, and there are no holes at the bottom, but there's a pretty big hole at the side and some dents and holes here. Too bad, because the ripples on this bar are magnificent. So now to the last one. I think this is the best for today. Does not have the best ripples, but this is a perfectly smooth bar. No big holes or something. So yeah, quite happy with the results, and let's measure them up. So let's weigh them up. I will first do each bar individually, of course. This thing still wants to go on. Goes 0. Let's first start out with the small cast iron one. So 136 grams for the smallest bar, 303 grams, 299 grams. Onto the finger bars. I think these will weigh almost exact the same. 270 grams, 278 grams, so we have a difference of 8 grams. Now the medium-sized ones, 512 grams, 464 grams. Now onto the big ones. These are almost the same, I guess, again. So the first one, 828 grams and 839 grams. So now we know that. For the people who are very fast with calculations, they already know the exact weight, but we will measure them all. So we started off with 4009 grams and we ended up with 3,933 grams, and I know why that is. It's not because I split it a lot, but there's still a lot stuck in the crucible. When I showed it to the camera after the pour, I thought it was empty, but when I put it back in the furnace, I saw there was a quite a bottom with copper, so would make 78 grams, a loss of 78 grams. So there's still a lot in the crucible bottom. So let's bring these back to the safe. Alright, back at the safe. So let's open Fort Knox. Alright, so I added some copper again to the stack, and the stack is almost touching the ceiling of the safe, so that's a good thing. Love to stack some copper. The total stack weight of the safe will be in screen right now. This was it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss out on a melting video. I release a video every week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a great weekend or a great week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.